and we are back. Welcome to 2021. I'm so excited to be back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. Life has been happening. Thank you so much for coming back. I know it's been a long time. Oh my gosh, the last time I posted a video was, I can't remember now, maybe October. Yeah, but we are back. This year we're going to be giving you back to back. I've been busy really because I'm back to work. I had more time when I was on maternity leave, but gosh, once I resumed back to work, I work 3 days a week now, and I've been trying to juggle work, family, and all of that. But I'm glad to be back. At least I'm going to be uploading once a week or more when I have time or when I get some holiday. Okay, welcome back today. This is Mabel's Kitchen. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, you haven't joined our family, please click the red subscribe button right now. I will be waiting for you. You've done that? Great. Thank you very much. Click the bell also to get notified every time I upload a new video. Now to today's video. Today I'll be showing you, that's my daughter. I'll be showing you how to make this easy yet delicious. It can be lunch, dinner, I'll call it. I had it for dinner a few weeks ago, so I thought I should, film it for you guys to see. This is a very easy recipe, yet delicious. It's amazing. It's not the usual. So we're going to be having some grilled chicken and some vegetables. Now I'll be using the vegetables I like. Sometimes I swap it around and use some other vegetables. Without further ado, let's get cooking. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm excited, guys. I'm excited to be back. Yay! So I'm preparing the ingredients. It took me about 15 minutes, and then we'll pop it in the oven for 1 hour. Just look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at the juice from the chicken. Oh, I'll show you exactly how I did it so the juice doesn't dry out. Just look at that. Yummy. Now let's get started. Obviously we're going to need some chicken, so I love to use chicken thighs. They are more delicious than chicken breast or chicken legs. Chicken wings are great as well. Okay, so I'll be using some chicken thighs and some potatoes, as you can see, some baby potatoes, and a lot of bell pepper. All right, let's get started. So I'm just going to set my chicken aside and then prepare the spices. So the spices I'll be using first is a multi-purpose seasoning. That's all-purpose seasoning. I'll be using some ginger powder. I'll be using some onion powder. This onion powder, guys, it's great. It's taking my cooking to the next level. Onion powder, some smoked paprika. Combination of these two, I use it for jollof rice, I use it for stew, I use it for a lot of things, guys. It's amazing. So that's smoked paprika. I'll be using some white pepper. These are great for flavor as well and taste. White pepper. Then I'll be using some Knorr Multipurpose seasoning. So this is just going to act like my stock cube. I won't be using any stock cube really. So that I'll be using some salt. I'll be using some garlic powder. That's garlic powder. And then I'll be using some parsley. If you have fresh parsley, great. You can finish up with some fresh parsley, but these are dry ones. Those are my spices. All right, let's mix this together. We'll divide the spice mix into two. So I'll mix the chicken with one portion and the other portion for the vegetables. Okay, so mix this thoroughly, and I'm going to use it to season my chicken. Yeah. I'll sprinkle the chicken with some olive oil as well, just a little bit, not too much, and then I'm going to combine thoroughly. The chicken is well coated. I'm just going to set that aside, let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Now let's get the veg ready. Okay, so I love bell peppers, guys, for this recipe. Potatoes, bell peppers, and trust me, these bell peppers have different tastes and different flavor. The green one, the red, the yellow, even the orange one, the taste is different. Each one amazing in its own way. Yeah, I'm going to use 1 onion. You can use to really be generous with the onions. If you have some spring onions, that would be great as well. I don't have any spring onion at the moment. And I'll be using baby potatoes. You can use normal Irish potato really, but I love using baby potatoes for this recipe. And sometimes I add carrots, broccoli, you know, any vegetable that you love, do just fine. Okay, so I'm going to coat this veg with some olive oil, and then I'm going to add the second portion of my spice mix. Okay, this spice, guys, this mixture is the bomb. It's the bomb. So marinate your vegetable as well for about 15 minutes before we pop it into the oven. We'll be using a baking dish. Let's see if it fits. Okay, I'm not sure if the white baking dish will take all of the veg and the chicken, or if I have to use two. We'll find out. Yeah, and some sweet corn. I'll be using some sweet corn, guys. Yay. I'm just going to try to fit it in really. If not, I'm going to divide it into two and just use two separate casserole dish. Looks like it fits. Just 2 lemon slices for extra flavor. I'm going to cover with foil. Okay, some people cover it with foil, and then for the last 10 minutes cooking time, they open it for the chicken to brown. But even though I cover with foil, my chicken skin is still going to be brown and crispy. And using this method, the juice will be preserved, so at the end you're going to see all the chicken juice. Okay guys, let's pop this goodness into the oven for 1 hour. Okay, I'm just going to set the timer to 1 hour at 200 degrees Celsius. The details will be in the description for my oven setting, but there you go. An hour later, let's find out what's been cooking. Ooh, look at that. Oh my god, the steam, the aroma. Everywhere smells amazing. The aroma has filled the house. Look at that. Let's dish this out and enjoy our dinner. Please try this recipe and let me know how yours turned out. Okay, let me know the kind of vegetables you'll be using, and yeah, let's see some twists. There you go. Thank you for watching. To dig in, yeah, this should serve 3 adults, at least 2 adults conveniently, depending on your appetite. Okay, let me go and enjoy my dinner. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, share with your friends, make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.